My name is Tamir from Israel, from mAIk-education, and me and Yonatan from Tuviau School will present. Okay, so I will start introducing the framework, and then I will let have Yonatan the stage to demonstrate his project. So hello all, my name is Tamir from Israel. I'm from mAIk-education. Let me share my screen. Do you see my screen?
It's still loading.
Okay.
Okay, we see it.
Okay. So we are mAIk-education. We connect between robotics and AI, and our purpose is to enable anyone to bring his ideas from potential into reality, and to make it very easily with AI, with prompting. If we are used to that AI, that we have chat with AI, then in our platform you can do chat with physical objects. So hence we can create much interesting project and entrepreneurship project easily for everyone, and we do it with recycled pieces robotics. In this case, for example, like you can see in this video, it's robots from origami, from paper. So anyone can craft robots and with AI control it and make some interesting project. So this is it about mAIk-education, and I just want to tell you that last year we made a competition, a freestyle entrepreneurship competition for students from age 15 to 17, and the student created amazing projects. For example, return weights in the gym to the place, robot that it's a car dealer, anti-theft agriculture system, smart medication reminder, robot assistant, free parking. A lot of great projects from scraps, from recycling materials, and with smart AI in it that control it. So this is about mAIk and about the competition, and now I will let Yonatan, which he and his team participate in our competition, to present their project Cognibot, that is meant for the elderly people. So Yonatan, are you ready? You want to start?
Yes, I am.
Okay, go ahead.
So, hi everyone, my name is Yonatan Portnikov. I'm 17 years old from Be'er Sheva in Israel, and I'm a student in Masa Nachshon program. It's a program that teaches how to be a better student, entrepreneurship, and how to be a better person. So, in this program, we took place last year in this competition, and we made Cognibot. So I will share presentation we did last year. Can you see the presentation? Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So last year we created Cognibot, and so the problem Cognibot is facing is the decline in cognitive functioning in older age, particularly dementia. As a result, this leads to a reduced quality of life for both the individuals affected and their loved ones. Currently, 3 out of 10 individuals over the age of 85 are diagnosed with dementia. The disease affects not only the individuals, but those around them, as 76% of relatives of people with dementia report experiencing poor sleep quality. Additionally, the diseases has significant economic and psychological impacts on both the patient and the relatives. Our solution. Cognibot is a robot that trains older adults' cognitive function and keeps them mentally active on a daily basis. Studies have shown that memory-based games like those used in our product can reduce the risk of dementia by up to 40%. The robot's uniqueness lies on its ability to deliver an interactive and innovative experience by combining robotics with the capability to challenge the brain through the prediction of movement sequences. This is the competitors, our competitors table, and you can see that we are more relevant than our competitors for solving this solution. We have here the Cognifit, Peak, and Pero. Most of them is an application, while we are a physical product. Our target audience, older adults suffering from dementia, geriatric care facilities, older adults with reduced cognitive function, medical centers specializing in dementia care, and the immediate environment of older adults. Advantages: improves the user's quality of life. The robot is easy to use and does not require advanced technological skills, does not disturb the user's daily routine, and supports the strengthening of cognitive function on a daily basis. Mode of operation. The robot presents a sequences of movements, back, forward, right, or left, and the user is required to predict the next movement. The user mentally determines the movement they expect to follow, and after a few seconds, the robot displays the correct movement. Key features: physical features, a strong and stable structure, ability to move in multiple directions, wheels that enable free movement. Smart features: identifies movement patterns and predicts the next action, performs cognitive processes such as analysis and planning, and integrates computational learning with user experience. General features: communicates with the user and based on advanced technology combines robotics with education and cognitive development. Revenue streams. The primary revenue streams of our product are the direct sale of robots to consumers and institutions, as well as the distribution through a recommendation by physicians and therapists within various healthcare providers. Cost structure. Development costs. Software development and the physical design of the robot will cost us $40,000. Production costs. Material costs, product assembly, and marketing expenses will cost us $7,500. And operating costs, post-sale support and maintenance will cost us $1,000. Our next steps: prototype testing, evaluate the prototype with our target audience, customization, customize the robot's level to suit each user individually, and the product marketing, begin working on the product's pricing and marketing strategy. Cognibot, innovation that moves forward. I can tell also that it was a lot easier to make our first prototype with the mAIk, because mAIk is based on a coding language that I was familiar with before, and in this competition we also required to build our own prototypes. So I will show you the video of the prototype in real action. So as you can see in the video, our robot made two movements, and for the last movement, he waited for the user to predict his last movement, and the user was correct. And as I say, the work with the make was a lot easier than other kits because right now I'm working with the kits that based on a programming language called C++, and it's a language that a lot harder than Python or AI. Also, I didn't stop there, and right now I'm working on my own startup, and maybe in the next year I will present to you my own startup. Thank you.
Okay, excellent presentation. I really enjoyed the prototype that you presented to us. That was actually a very inspiring idea and a very interesting idea. As we know, of course, when we're making a project, we have the pros and the cons, our favorite part, maybe least favorite. I'd like to know, what is your favorite part in making this Cognibot?
Well, it was my first time even trying to create my own prototype and a robot, because before the competition, I mostly was coding like programs and not robots. It was an opportunity to learn and to collect more abilities. So, and this was the fun part.
Excellent, thank you. And yes, that was a very interesting presentation. Maybe if Miss Alaville, you have any.
Hi, thank you so much. I really appreciate the product that you've made, coming from a family that also has an elderly person with dementia. So it's a very real problem, and um, definitely the places where we bring them to, nursing homes and care homes, can use a lot of support. So I really look forward to, more development in this project, that it could be something that will be in the market. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
So actually, we're done with our time. So if you have any last messages before we go to the next presenter. Or
I
maybe
would just say,
Tywin.
yeah, no, I just one sentence at a time. I'm really proud of all students, and especially this project of Yonatan. They're really amazing ideas, and again, everything can be done from very minimal cost, minimal parts at home, materials. So amazing ideas. So thank you, Yonatan. It was a great presentation.
Maybe our next presenter, Tywin, has any questions regarding this. I know you've been listening in.
No. I would just like to say that the presentation, I think it's really cool, and you should keep improving this design because it will really help a lot of people.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we hope to see you again at Gift.